So today we will just look into one of the most rarely asked important interview question. I can say it as. So first thing, what is today's program? It's about finding the largest difference between two numbers. So using array or integer or anything. Okay. So what we are going to do here. So in this section we will just look into it. If I have numbers like 1 comma 10 comma 5 comma 8 comma 7 comma 30 comma 5 comma 66 comma 88 and so on. Okay, so in this I just want to find the largest difference between two numbers. So 1 and 10, the difference is -9, so we can say it as difference 9. Okay, 10 and 5 5, 5 and 8 3. Okay, next 8 and 7 it's 1. Okay, next 30 and 5 25, 5 minus 66 61. Okay, 66 minus 88 22. So in this the largest difference is 61, so we want to find the 61 here. So to achieve this we just want to write an program. So we can write it. So let me copy this array, let me open my IDE, and here I'm just declaring one array of numbers. Okay, equal to, I just pasted my array here. Okay, oh sorry, array numbers can be declared inside the flower bracket, not in flower braces, not in square braces. Okay, now first I want to find out the number difference, right? For int I equal to 0. Okay, I less than numbers dot length -1 I plus plus. Okay, now I want to find the difference. Int diff equal to numbers of I minus numbers of I plus 1. Okay, now I just want to print the output. System.out.println diff. Okay, now I am just printing it. See, I just put positive as well as negative numbers also. Okay, so now I just want to avoid this negative minus in front of this, and I want to convert everything into positive. How can we do that? So in simple way we can do that with the help of math operations. Math.abs. abs is nothing but absolute operator which converts negative to positive, and there is some other operations which can help us here. So let's run this program. So see, I had converted everything minus to positive, negative numbers to positive numbers. Now I just want to find out what is the largest difference. So here I will just declare one more array, largest difference equal to 0. Okay, so initially my largest difference is 0. Now I want to find out what is the largest difference, what is the largest difference between two numbers. So yeah, I will just write one condition: if the largest difference is less than diff. Okay, what I will do, largest diff equal to diff. Now I'm just printing this one. After end of my for loop, I'm just printing this one, system.out.println largest difference. Okay, largest, okay, difference between two numbers is, okay, I'm just printing largest difference. Okay, now I will just run this one. So you can see I just got my largest difference between two numbers. Okay, now I just want to print the numbers. So what are the two numbers which is giving me the largest difference here? How can I do that? So simply I will just make one thing. Here I had declared largest difference, right? So I will just declare two numbers. Int first number comma second number. Okay. In this I will just do that. First number equal to numbers of I. Second number equal to numbers of I plus 1. Done. Till here we had done our program. So I want to print it. So now I will just write one more system dot out dot println. Okay. Two numbers which gave me largest difference is, okay, I will just write it here, number 1 plus, here the place is used to join two strings. Okay, first number comma second number. I will just copy this first number here and I will paste it here, and second number I will paste it here. Okay, initialize. Okay, let me initialize the variable equal to 0 and second number equal to 0. Done, right? Let me execute this one. So as we can see that the largest numbers which gave me the largest output is 5 comma 6. So in this way we can achieve that particular difference between two largest difference in an array between two numbers. Okay, so as I used one of the math function here, so math dot apps. So what is math dot apps? It is an one of the method inside that math operations which will just give us the absolute positive value of a number. Absolute positive value means it can return double, float, integer or long, anything. So to explain you that, I'm just making a short thing here because I used math.app, so you want to understand that. I'm just writing one, I'm just printing one extra variable saying that math.apps. I'm just shooting the float minus 1.1. Okay, let me execute this. As I got the output 1.1. So in this way, math.apps is nothing but it returns the absolute value and return type with int, float, double, long. So we can use for those things which has a negative number, and then the positive number we just make use of mat.apps function. So that's it for today guys. Happy coding. Bye bye.